What's going on with you guys? Welcome to another episode of Quick Learn. And in today's episode, I will teach you how to change your username on Linktree. So this one is very easy. You just need to follow my steps and you can pretty much do it. So what you can do is to open your Linktree on website. So reminder that you will need to open your Linktree on website, not on your application, because on your application there's no option to change your username. So you just need to open your Linktree on website. So after you open that, just go to your profile right here in the top right corner. Just click your profile, and after that, just scroll down until you find my account. Just click that, and it will redirect you to this page. After that, just scroll down again until you find this option under account actions for Pitsopi. There will be a change username option there. Just click that right there. You can change your username, and keep note that after you change your username, the link will be also changed. So you need to resend another link. And if you already posted your link tree on your social media account, you'll just need to update them with your new username, because if you don't, the link will not work because the username is changes, so the link of your link tree. And that's it. That's how you do it. After that, just click OK and click close, and that's it. That's how you change username on Linktree. And also, that's it for today's episode. If you want more to this channel, please like this video, click the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.